This is our current system, right? We are decreasing our health and we are increasing our health. But I want to make something like, if your health goes to 50% or like say 60%, the health bar colors become yellow. Then if it goes from 60 to like say 10%, it goes to red and it flickers. Okay. For that, like, we need to first to take a list of colors. That's called health colors. Need to new list this one. Now let's assign our colors first. 1 2 3. First color should be green and alpha to 55. Then next color should be yellow and the last color should be red. We need now float like yellow percentage, and we are taking a variable that because our aim is to, if health goes to 50%, but on your side it can be like say, okay, I want to change my color to yellow and our health becomes to like say 40% or like 80%. For percentage and another word for rate percentage. Also going to take another two variable called yellow health target and another one called a target. So first we need to calculate our yellow percentage and red percentage, right? So create a method called private void calculate percentage. So we are going to health target to equal to party health into yellow percentage, and our target to percentage, and we are going to call it from start to, so here. Now here we are updating our value. Consider for like second we are going from 1 to 0.5. So we want a callback, like let's say our value is changed. So Dotween have another one extension like call on update. So this will give you a call like when updating your value from 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay, let me show you. So whenever we are updating our value, we are going to call a method called check for colors, and we're going to input it as a no, let's not use it for now, just check for colors and copy this and paste here. Okay, here we're going to check. Okay, so first if our health bar, our fill image dot fill amount is let's say greater than or equal to yellow health target, then we're going to set our colors and fill image dot color equal to health colors to green, and else if or just copy it from here and paste it here. For less than or equal to, also, and our fill image dot fill amount is greater than our target rate health target. Then we're going to change the health bar color to 1, and else if it doesn't satisfy any condition, then we just call it to rate. So this is our color changing system. Let's play it, and first we need to assign our percentage, right? So yellow percentage should be, let's say, 50%, and your red percentage should be 10. Now if we decrease our health, you see our it changed color. If I increase, it changed color again. Let's say if it changed to red, yeah, our 10%, and it changed color again. So it is more is more dynamic than just using a simple color, you know. But one thing you should notice, like say, whenever we are changing color, it snaps. Like say it's going from green to yellow, it's just snapping. But I want to make it smoother, like say something similar to LARP, right? So for that, I'm going to use like say private void change color. We are going to change color. We are changing color here, right? So Dotween have another one of its method that you can change color smoothly, so I'm going to use that. So fill image dot do color. Our target color is a color 32 target color. I'm going to change it to target color, and again it will take color animation duration, and we still didn't declare it, so let's call it from here, and we want to call for it from here, so it will take this one and delete the previous line, copy, paste here, and remember to change the value. So now let's see for a second what happens. We want to value animation duration, let's call it, say, okay, 0.2. No, not 0.2, let's give it to 5, so we can change it, see the effect of it. Okay, so decrease, you see it changing color. Yeah, so 0.2, yeah, 0.2 should be enough. If I now decrease, no, it still looks like it's snapping, so let's increase our animation duration, and yeah, I like it. Yeah, yep. So 0.5, and also I noticed one thing. Let's our rate percentage is 10 right now, right? So let's give it to 20. Let's say no, 25%, and our is to 60. We're changing our value too fast, that because it's going from 10 10 10, right? So okay, we can do one more thing. We want to change our value to go from like say 5. it's way more dynamic and it looks good. Now I want to do another one. This one is like, if you play game you know that, okay? So whenever your health goes to red, it flickers, it shows a breathing effect. So we want to do that, right? So for us, okay, for that we want to use a component called canvas group. Let me show you what happens. You see, is 1 is, but it's 0. So we want to control it here. Whenever our health goes to red, we want to show a breathing effect, okay? But if your health goes to yellow again, it stops. For that is public canvas group called health canvas group, and assign it from here. Canvas group again, add component canvas group on your fill image. Now let's create another method called private void animate health bar. So we want to call this one whenever our health goes to red, right? So here, so animate health bar, and we want to create another method called stop health animation. That because if you started our breathing effect on red, so we also want to stop our health bar effect whenever it goes to yellow, okay? So health bar, and we want to call it stop health bar from here, and also call it from here. Now take another variable called private. Now so first let's not do that, animate health bar. So we're going to use our Dotween library again. So canvas health bar canvas group dot do fate. It should go from 1 to, let's say, 0.5, and you will take another variable called fate duration, and also fate value. So let's create two variables now. We float fate value. I also copy it from here. Okay, so let's see if our fading works. Fade value to should be goes like 0.7, and emission duration to 0.1. So if we now decrease our health to red and check our, yeah, it goes to 8.7, okay, but it's just static. So we want to loop it continuously. So for looping Dotween animation, we will use set loops, and -1 for infinite looping. You can use 5 times, so it will loop for 5 times. But if you use -1, it will continue looping. And what kind of loop you want, it should be like, say, loop type dot yo-yo. Yo-yo means like it goes forward, then it goes backward again, okay? It's not restart, it's just something like yo-yo. It goes forward first and come back to again, and is go continuously. So now we want to stop it too, right? Now create a variable called tween. It is to like canvas tween. We're going to assign our value here, and whenever we are stopping, we are going to canvas.kill, so it will kill this tween. That because it is continuously going, we need to call it stops. So stop the tween right now, you know. Also we need another variable called private bool is canvas tween, and we want to check like if canvas tween is false, is canvas tween, we are going to tween canvas tween equal to true. So this method doesn't call continuously. If it get called continuously, it won't work. To be honest, this method like change colors, it actually calling every time your value it satisfies this value. You can use similar variable for that, but it is not needed here, so I am not using it. But on your case, you might want to use it. Now, and we want to stop here. If our canvas tween is canvas tween, it's animating our canvas, then we are going to kill it, and we are going to reset our canvas value to 1f, and we're going to call it like let's not do that, let's not tween it, let's call it alpha to 1. Okay, now we are manually assigning our value. If let's say if our value goes from 1 to 0.7 and we are stopping at 0.8, then we want to reset it like say 1. Okay, now if we play now at the value initial duration, let's call it to 0.5 so we can see it properly. If we continuously decrease our health, you see our health is like dropping, it's showing a breathing effect. So our user can like say he knows like say, oh, my health is low, I need to increase my health by doing something. Now let's see if it stops. If health goes from red to yellow, it stops. Again goes to 0. You see it's not working. Let's see why not. It's repeating again. Oh, okay, we are not setting it to false. Again false. Now also and now decrease to red. Yep, it's red showing. Now increase our health, it's not showing again. Yep, so this is our full health bar system. Anyway guys, if you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. I will try my best to answer that question. Thank you guys for watching.